guys, how are you? Thank you for joining me. Today's been a very exciting day. So I just did my, I guess you would say, my very first official live session on a private Facebook group called Beauty, Style, and Smiles. Thanks to my hubby Jesse for coming up with that name. So basically, we are going to be sharing beauty, fashion inspiration, and anything that makes you smile. It's an all-inclusive group on my main page, but it's a private group. So it's just going to be a safe space for us to support each other, empower. If you feel a certain way one day, if you're not feeling your best, leave a comment. Somebody already posted a comment that they weren't having their greatest day today, and you guys should have seen the flood of encouragement from you guys and just be like, it's gonna get better, it's gonna be okay. So it's really nice to have that kind of support when you don't feel like you have it with your immediate family and friends. So I also wanted to talk about makeup and something that I've been really excited about, and I'm only doing this with things that really pump and excite me, okay? Because we gotta keep it 100 here. Mac and Aaliyah just came out with a new collection, and I wanted to do a first impression. I also don't have a lot of makeup on today, so I mean, I have makeup on, but I don't have eyeshadow or like intense lip color or anything like that. So I feel like I could pretty much play around with all the products today. I love her style. I loved her music. She was also a really cool and real and down-to-earth girl. So you open it up. Oh my God, look at this. My sister intrigued the world with her unique style, brought us to ethereal realms with her angelic voice, bared her soul in groundbreaking videos and on the silver screen. We're honored to present Mac Aaliyah to my sister's devoted fans. This is a dream realized, icon beauty materialized, set in motion and inspired by all of you. Oh my gosh, guys, I remember where there was like a lot of like Mac for Aaliyah, like all the fans be making stuff happen. That is so cool. You guys have so much influence, so much power, guys. It's not just like the people, like the beauty gurus or whatever that have influence. You guys have influence. You guys go hardcore. There's a little silver clutch, and all of her packaging is this gorgeous jewel tone pearl color. It's absolutely gorgeous. That's like the main central color. We have a compact, the eyeshadow palette, and this is unique to her, a bandana. You guys remember she'd be rocking bandanas? Mac Aaliyah, and wow, it's so beautiful. It's such a beautiful bandana. And let's play around with some of these lip colors. I have several items in here. So let's start off with, wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. But I'm gonna be real with you guys. I'm gonna be completely real. Back in the day, you guys know, 10 years ago, I seem to be talking about, guys, do you know that I've been on YouTube for 10 years? Like starting June 18, I think, or June 20 something. I forgot the exact date, but it's been 10 years that I've been on YouTube, guys. So this is pretty cool. I remember back in the day, if you had Mac, you were poppin'. You were like the one if you had Mac makeup. So every girl wanted to work at Mac, and we wanted to have Mac makeup. And that's when I started collecting makeup and my Mac 187 brush and all these things. Having said that, do you guys feel like the quality has decreased somehow, some way? Because the quality of the eyeshadows, to me, is not the same quality, especially little palettes like this. So let's start off with doing just a basic eye look. What am I gonna do today? I don't just want to use like a matte brown on the crease, so let's try maybe doing a little bit of this rose gold color here. So it picks up color really nicely. It's just that when it goes onto the skin, it's different. This is a 9 eyeshadow palette called Age Ain't Nothing But a Number. They need to put her music on Spotify because she only has like a few songs on Spotify. I want to know, why is Aaliyah's music not on Spotify? I be trying to listen to it and it's not happening. So I'm just going to put the rose gold color on my eyelid, and it is pigmented. So this is really nice. Rose gold. I've been really into rose gold in makeup and everything. So as you can see, a little bit of rose gold. Looks beautiful all over the eyelid, just to do a wash of this color. And I don't really even have an intense eyeshadow primer. I have concealer and powder on my eyelid. So I don't have a traditional eyeshadow primer to, you know, compare it to see how much more pigmented it's gonna be. So now I'm gonna take this blending brush because I'm just gonna go into this matte light brown and then a darker brown, but still a light brown. And I'm just going to buff it into my crease because you guys know this is the one color I wear every day just to give my eyelid some definition, and then this also helps to smoke it out. This is going to be a really quick makeup look, guys. I have eyelash extensions on, by the way, so I'm kind of obsessed with them, to be honest with you, because it saves me so much time from getting ready in the morning because the eye makeup just takes forever, and having lashes on is just like boom, your eyes are wide and awake and beautiful. Like even when I look or feel tired, I don't look tired. So I am also going to take a little bit of the dark brown because I'm just gonna make it dark, make this corner just a little deeper, a little bit richer. So the shimmery eyeshadow, the rose gold one that I'm rocking on my lid, looks so beautiful, to be honest with you, especially with all this lighting and the light just reflecting. It's a gorgeous combination of colors. Simple, simple, nothing too cray-cray. And for the tear duct, I see a gold in here. This gold one caught my attention, so I want to use it because it complements the rose gold beautifully. If you add this color here, this warm gold undertone shade, and it just opens up the inner tear duct, opens up your eye, and it's just a hint of color. Just to have some contrast, you know what I mean? And why not take more of the browns? So I'm mixing all the shades, all the brown shades together. I am just going to drag my brush underneath my eye. Now, that was really nice. Wow. Now that I'm looking at it, wow. The eye makeup, a 10. Okay, so now we are going to bronze our face like Aaliyah. And this is the palette. This is actually her signature. The actual powder itself, you guys know there's always some sort of design in the compacts. And this one has Aaliyah's signature, guys. Right in here, the bronzing powder. Quite honestly, do you guys like to use this kind of makeup? Like, I'm obsessed with it and I love, I'm a makeup collector, but this Aaliyah powder, I don't want her signature to fade away. I don't know, there's something more special to me. That's why I love makeup, because there's an emotional connection to it for sure. So I'm taking this MAC 140S 140. I said 140S. The 140S, okay? It's a large powder brush. And I am using this beautiful bronzer to add some shimmer and glow to the face. It's actually very finely milled because you cannot see where that highlight is. It just looks natural. So when I think of a bronzing powder, I think of using this powder to really put it all over my face, to be honest with you, because I'm trying to bronze up. I'm trying to be a golden goddess, a bronzy golden goddess. Bronze and gold are totally different. Well, not really. Okay, so we are going to take this powder and we're just gonna go, we're gonna go ham with this powder. This is such a beautiful bronzing powder because you don't just have to rock it as a highlight. It's such a subtle and beautiful glow that it gives you that you can honestly do it to your entire face. And then you are going to be bronzed up. And it's not like when you're wearing just a highlighter and you're using the highlighter all over your face. With this, I feel like you can just go everywhere. You can just go everywhere. Look at how I did it. And now I'm like, you see, it's like glowing really nicely. Okay, so now we're going to do a lipstick. I think we should do a lipstick, okay? So there's 3 that I have here in a bullet format, and it also has her signature on the actual cap. So this is the first color called Try Again. So this color here is a soft Muted Beige in a matte finish. This one is called Try Again. This next one is called Street Thing. Street Thing, that's cute. Ooh. This is a pure black with shimmer in a frost finish. So it's just a black lipstick with shimmer. Oh. And this one here is called Hot Like, and it's a creamy, fiery red. And there you have it. So these are the 3 lip colors that I have. So I also have 4 lip gloss colors. So this one is described as a sheer nude with pearl. Oh, okay. It looks really nice on the tube. This one here is called At Your Best You Are. This is a warm berry. Oh, yes. Yes, this is my color. Okay, so I think that's my favorite so far. This one here is a coral with shimmer, which I think it's gonna be, wow, this is a gorgeous color for the summertime. A coral lip gloss, that's beautiful. This last one here is called One in a Million, which is a rich, deep purple shade that honestly, I'm all over it. So I decided to go with this coral lip gloss only because I do have like a summertime bronzy look, and the eye makeup wouldn't really go with something too dark on the lips. It just wouldn't balance out right. So just to complete the whole entire look, I am going to take this lip gloss and just put it on and just to see how it looks. Oh yeah. Oh wow. One of the first few words that I use to describe a lip gloss has to be sticky or non-sticky. Like, that's a big factor to me. Is the lip gloss sticky? If it is, this one's kind of sticky. Why they gotta be sticky? Can't they change the formula? Nobody likes sticky lip gloss. Ooh, girl, this color is, wow. Look how juicy this is looking. See, my hair's getting stuck, and then I'm gonna have lip gloss all over my cheek. Wow, though. Honestly, though, I don't care if it's sticky right now. This color, the way that it's shining, it's pretty incredible. You can do this look for the summertime. Right now, we can rock this dewy, glowy, bronzy, summertime coral lips and rose gold eyes during the summertime now. Or you can also go ahead and experiment with these darker, richer hues, which are gonna be looking super fabulous. And we have some deeper, richer colors here. So I think it's gonna be super gorgeous. Honestly, I'm very excited to try out this purple and this darker purple next to it and do a dark lip like this one, because this is also like a purplish plum color. So just imagine to match up both of them, and you're gonna do something like badass. This is gonna be the look for it. So yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's Mac and Aaliyah video. If you did, please thumb it up, and I'm gonna be doing more videos like this for you guys. Anyways, with that being said, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful week, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. So I am here to dance like I did in high school. Keep in mind, I haven't been doing this dance for a long time. I'm not here to do a tutorial. I'm just simply here trying to do this dance move, because I think the last time I did this was in 2001. So yeah, circa 2001, I was in 9th grade. Weird looking teenager, must I add. I'm gonna show you my one dance move. And oh my gosh, I'm wearing shorts and this tank top like she did. The move is circle. That's the move. And just move around, move around, move around. Up, down, roll through the front, and roll. So, I feel like they did it differently. Oh yeah, she went back. Okay,